Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says, I along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam participated in a battle towards Najd. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back, I was also accompanying him. At last the time of nap overtook us in a valley abound in thorny trees. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted there, and the other people dispersed in all directions, seeking the shade of the trees. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted under a sisya tree and hung his sword on it. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, we had hardly taken a nap when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam called us. We reached him to find a Bedouin sitting beside him. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when I was asleep, he drew my sword on me. So when I woke up, the sword was still in his hand, and he said to me, who will save you from me? I said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So he was sitting beside him, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not award him any punishment. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4135.